In this video, we're going to discuss an AI tool that may help you to develop your website if you're struggling. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter, here with my pup, Tune. And we're here to talk about an AI tool that may help you to get further along if you're stuck on developing your business's website. Now, I know that there's a lot of moving components that are associated with you being able to get your recruiting agency off of the ground. And one of those components is actually you making sure that you have a professional presence that's out there. And part of that professional presence is going to mean you ultimately having a website that talks about all of the things that you're able to accomplish, your services, and ultimately the value that you're going to be able to bring to your clients. But I know that there isn't necessarily a one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to you actually being able to put together your business website. And we're also sitting at a phase where AI is all the rave right now, and there's a lot of cool things that are out there and resources that are out there that can ultimately help you. And this is where landingsite.ai can actually help to put together your full website. Now, this is really geared towards those who may be stuck in terms of exactly how they want to format their website. It's not just about the content, but it's also how your website is formatted, so you're able to bring your reader in, ultimately prospective client, and you're able to grab their attention so that they do spend more time on your website, ultimately going through the content and the value that you are able to offer them. So landingsite.ai actually has created an opportunity where you can input your information into their form, and then from there it will generate a website for you. There's opportunities for you to select from a variety of templates, and ultimately it just helps to create a foundational element in terms of your website. Now, by no means does this mean that you actually have to go with, the recommended website that landingsite.ai is able to generate for you. You should definitely ensure that you have full creative license over your process in terms of what you're putting on your website. But from a formatting perspective, if you're someone like me who maybe just needs a boost in terms of some help to get those creative juices flowing, then landingsite.ai could be a really cool tool for you to be able to leverage. Now, I want to go through a couple things within the website. That way you have an idea of exactly what's offered through this site, starting with the fact that this is a free website builder. Now, they do have a paid option that you can do monthly in terms of the features that you're able to unlock. And also, if you're trying to build out a really robust website, they have an opportunity for you to be able to contact them and probably get some specialized pricing in regards to it. But if you're just looking for something that's extremely basic and you just want to be able to play around and ultimately get an idea of how you can go about creating your website, then there is the free version here that you can leverage. And as you scroll and look through, it offers you the opportunity again to kind of see some examples of what they've been able to do in terms of websites that it's been able to generate. You'll also notice for that it's a couple different niches. So there's some services businesses that are in here. There's also some businesses that are selling products that are in here, e-commerce that's in here. It's a wide range of websites that this tool is able to generate for you. And then again, in explaining ultimately how it works, you enter in your business information, you choose a template, and then from there you're able to publish and launch. Now, part of you actually being able to get your website is also your domain name, as well as making sure that you're able to, get that registered. You can actually do that through this site as well. And then again, here's sort of the format of where you can get started in terms of entering in your information in terms of your business name and a description of your business. And from there, it'll take you throughout the full process. And lastly, if you are interested in just learning more about what the paid version will offer you, then you do have the opportunity for $10 a month to actually unlock some more features that's associated with the site. As I mentioned, you do have to purchase a domain. This allows you to be able to do a custom domain, and there's a couple other really cool things that are also listed within here. Now, again, this is not meant to be your end all be all in terms of your site, but again, if you're looking for something that's ultimately just going to help to get that creativity flowing for you, or you want an idea in regards to how your website can look, this is one tool and one opportunity for you to be able to leverage AI to your advantage. Well, I hope that you found this video to be helpful. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as if you are not in my Facebook group, then I highly encourage that you join because we're in there talking all things recruiting still. I'll leave that link down below in the description box for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.